What's up, high levelers? It's Andrew, and I've got an incredibly exciting update, possibly one of my favorites for the prospecting tool. We now have the ability to find virtual businesses using the prospecting tool. That's right, we no longer have to only search businesses based off of real live addresses. We can now use Google business profile URLs in order to find virtual businesses and add them to our prospecting tool. Let me show you how it works. So on the agency level under prospecting, you can view all of your different prospecting accounts right here. And whenever we go to add a prospect, typically we search them via their name or via their address. For example, if we look up a place that has a real address, then we will see they show up on the map just like this, or we can select them by dragging around here. But now, as you can see here, we can add a maps page URL to search for virtual businesses. So if we go to search for virtual businesses, we can add in a business maps URL. This you can find on your Google business profile page. That's what GBP stands for. Paste it right here, add in the business name, the phone number, address if it has one, but it's not mandatory because this works for virtual businesses. All you have to add in is the country that the business is registered in. Now, this right here is super handy, especially for almost every high-level user, because we are all running virtual agencies. Hardly any of us have real-life in-person locations, and a lot of us work with people that only run virtual companies. So being able to use the prospecting tool, use all of the marketing analytics from the marketing audit report without having a physical location is an absolute game changer. So once you put in this information, you can click Save Prospect. Then after waiting a couple of seconds, it will go into the report generation process. So you can now generate a marketing audit report for these businesses that don't have physical locations. This is an absolute game changer for the prospecting tool for almost every single high level user. So I am pumped to get to be able to bring this to you because I'm so excited to get to use it. Now, before I let you go, I want to let you know that if you're struggling to find that Google Maps URL, you can find it in a couple of different places. One place is if you go to any of your reviews. For example, if you have a Google reviews widget, you can go ahead and click it just like that. That's one of the fastest ways to get it. And then you can click place details, and then you'll see this link right here. It should look something like google.com/maps/place, and then your business name, and then some coordinates and all of that fancy data. So again, if you have a website on GoHighLevel and you've connected your Google business profile, one of the fastest ways is just head to your website, head to your reviews widget, and then check out your Google business profile from there. You can also find it from your Google business profile directly, or you can do it just by searching up your business name. It won't show up on a map sometimes, but it will show up as a Google business profile. Once you find it, you'll see this link. You can copy that, paste it in the prospecting tool, and you'll be good to go. As you can see, I'm super excited to get to use this. I'm super excited to see you guys use it as well. But if you have any questions about this feature or the prospecting tool in general, leave a comment. And as always, thank you so much for watching.